Assalamu alaikum. I hope all of you guys are well. I'm welcoming and I'm greeting all of you guys who are watching my video in this channel, Mahmoud Tour and Travel YouTube channel. Today I would like to review this cycle. Okay, I would like to share my own experience with you. What about my experience with this cycle? The cycle name is Phoenix Phoenix Tornado. So I would like my whole 1 year experience. I would like to share my whole 1 year experience with you. If First of all, I would like to share this tire. This is tire. Now you guys are looking the tire situation. It's become so much bad within just 1 month. Okay, I think you guys are looking this. You guys are looking this live and first of all, it's now I would like to discuss about brake. Brake was super duper when I was buy first time. Then the brake was super duper. Now and after some time, brake become so much bad, and then I have to change the I have to change this. Okay, this, and then its brake become so much bad. Okay, and if I'm talking about this seat was so much great. Still its performance is great. But if I talking with you about the whole cycle performance was super bad, and super bad. I have to use always my physical energy to ride this cycle. I have to use my physical energy in a whole the time. Whenever people pulling one and two, then cycle going more and more. But in this case is totally different. You have to pull all the time. You have to pull all the time this cycle, otherwise it's become a stop. So I would like to discuss about this cycle tire. It's called tire. Tire means which is inside this tube, where we are we are giving wind to operate this cycle. So tire tube experience or tube performance was so much bad. Okay, so overall, if I see another thing, that is, okay, pedal. Okay, pedal, it's also brake. And now and overall this cycle experience super duper bad. So I would like to request all of you guys, please don't buy this cycle. And I don't know what is the experience of other Phoenix company cycle, but my experience about the Phoenix Tornado cycle was super duper bad. I wasted near about 8,000 money behind this cycle. So I can call it it's just wasted money for me, because it's become so much pain for me and in my life. Okay, and sometime I try to go to different kind of places for hurry and for different reason, but that time it's become so much painful for me. And it's getting so much slowly. This tire become a bad, or this cycle become a bad, or everything. And so I would like to request all of you guys, please don't buy this cycle, never ever. I would like to request all of you, please buy Phoenix company cycle, but don't buy this cycle Tornado. Means Phoenix Tornado, don't buy Tornado cycle, but buy Phoenix cycle, because as much as I know, Phoenix is a great company in my country Bangladesh, but don't buy the Phoenix Tornado cycle. Okay, no more today. Assalamu alaikum.